I didn't love my wife.
But what do you feel? Part of your heart is missing.
Your dad.
Julie was a nice girl, a good person. She worked with special needs children. She snorted when she laughed and cried every time they showed footage of the towers falling. Other than that, I don't think I knew who she really was. She always said I didn't pay attention.
Every day I wake up thinking, why her?